Hi, I'm Kim Churches, president of the Washington Center.
And I'm Tia McNair, partner at SOVA, a higher education firm dedicated to transformative change.
So we're here to talk about restoring that dream of why a college degree matters.
And reimagining the pathways for student success.
So how are we going to do that? Well, we've got 4 different policy and practical solutions to help to rebuild that American dream.
But don't take it from us. Let's hear from some students and see what they have to say.
The number one reason I went to college was probably because the careers I wanted all required a degree, at least a bachelor's.
I do not feel like the resources I have on campus will help me adequately enough for life after college.
I feel like my college has a lot of resources, but they don't let us know, and I never knew those resources were available until I became a tour guide and had to teach other people about the resources.
The number one goal I wish to accomplish here in TWC is professional networking, and I do feel like I have acquired that.
And being able to see how I've grown as a writer, as a professional writer, has really impressed me. And I'm looking to bring those skills with me to the future so that I can be a wonderful candidate and employee.
My number one concern about achieving my professional goals would probably be the job market being unpredictable and competitive.